Hello, children. How are you? Hope all of us are doing good. Now, we will begin with our seventh chapter today, and the title is Little Deepak and His Pets. Now, it's a very interesting story and it teaches us a very important lesson. But before we begin to read the story, let us look at the knowledge bite. Pets bring joy, companionship, and love to our lives, and they rely on us to provide them with adequate care and attention. Now, children, you must have seen people around you who have got pets with them, or you yourself might have pets at home. You know what are pets? Those cute little dogs and cat that we have with us, and we take care of those animals. These animals that live with us, which become a part of our family, they are called our pets. And we take a lot of care of these pets, just like we take care of our family members. Proper pet care not only ensures their physical health and well-being, but also enhances their emotional and mental health. So when we take care of our pets, it ensures, that is, make sure that our pets are physically healthy and they are also happy with us. Now let's read a story to find out how Deepak took care of his pets. Let's begin the story. Little Deepak lived with his parents in a small village called Kalidaspur. So this is a story about a little boy named Deepak who lived with his parents in a place named Kalidaspur. Now Deepak had two pets, a puppy named Charlie and a kitten named Milo. So now we are also told that Deepak had two pets. There was a puppy. Puppy is a child of a dog and his name was Charlie. And then he also had a kitten. Kitten is also a very small cat and the kitten's name was Milo. So every afternoon after school, he used to take them to a nearby park and play with them. So every morning he went to school. When he returned in the afternoon, he always took his pets, that is Charlie and Milo, to a nearby park. Now, nearby means some place that is near to where you are living. मतलब जो जगह आपके नजदीक है, उसको हम कहते हैं nearby. So one day, little Deepak was very ill and he was unable to take his pets for a walk. Both Charlie and Milo were very sad as they were missing their friends at the park. So, when Deepak fell ill, obviously he could not take his pets to the park. These pets, that is Charlie and Milo, they felt very sad. Why? Because they also wanted to go to the park and play with their friends. जब हम पार्क जाते हैं तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेलते हैं. इसी तरह से दीपक के जो पेट्स थे ना, उनको जब दीपक पार्क लेकर के जाता था तो वो पेट्स यानी कि चार्ली और माइलो वो भी वहां अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेलते थे. So when Deepak was ill and could not take them to the park, they also felt sad because they missed their friends. So Charlie and Milo liked to run after the ducks at the park. Luckily, little Deepak recovered quickly and he was able to take his pets to the park again. अब ये पार्क में क्या करते थे? वहां पे एक पॉन्ड था जहां पे बहुत सारे डक्स थे. तो चार्ली और माइलो जो हैं वो इन डक्स के साथ भागते थे, ऐसे खेलते थे. So luckily when Deepak recovered, you know the meaning of recovered? When you have been ill and now you are okay, you are fine, you are not ill anymore. It means that you have recovered. So when Deepak recovered, he was able to again take his pets to the park. So obviously they were happy again. One day, Deepak's uncle came to visit him. He brought sweets and some storybooks for him. Little Deepak was very happy to receive the sweets and the books. तो एक बार जब दीपक के अंकल आए वो दीपक के लिए स्वीट्स लाए, मिठाइयाँ लाए और कुछ स्टोरी बुक्स लाए. Now, if we get sweets and story books, we also will feel happy. Similarly, Deepak was also happy to get those sweets and those story books. Gradually, he started spending more time on reading and forgot about his pets. So, gradually means slowly. So, slowly and slowly, Deepak started enjoying reading those storybooks so much that he forgot taking his pets to the park. अब वो पेट्स को पार्क ले जाना भूल जाता था. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको ज्यादा टाइम स्टोरीज पढ़ने में मजा आता था. Let's see what happens next. Charlie and Milo were sad once again as they felt that Deepak did not care for them anymore. अब क्योंकि दीपक चार्ली और माइलो को पार्क लेकर के नहीं जाता था, वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को मिस कर रहे थे, so they started feeling sad and they also felt that Deepak had forgotten them. Why? Because he did not care whether he should be taking them to the park or not. What did he care about? He cared more about just reading those storybooks. So what happened next was, hence, one day they decided to go to the park on their own and left little Deepak with his books. Now, Deepak had forgotten all about taking his pets to the park. So, what did they decide? That they will go to the park on their own and let little Deepak continue to read his books. After some time, Deepak realized that his pets were not there at home. He was very worried. He asked his dad to help him to look for them. Obviously, while reading, when Deepak realized that his pets were not around him, so he got worried. Worried का मतलब जानते हैं ना, जब आप किसी चीज के लिए परेशान हो जाते हैं या टेंस हो जाते हैं तो हम कहते हैं कि आप worried हैं. So he was worried as to where his pets were, and then he asked his dad to help him find his pets. Suddenly, he thought that his pets could be in the park. So he ran to the park and looked for them near the pond. तो एकदम से उसको ख्याल आया कि मेरे पेट्स हो सकता है गार्डन में गए हों. So he went to the garden and because he knew that his pets actually played with the ducks near the pond, so he also goes near the pond to find his pets. So he ran to the park and looked for them near the pond. Luckily, he found them there, playing with other dogs and cats. So when he reached the pond, he saw that luckily his pets, Charlie and Milo, were there and they were playing there with other dogs and cats. He took them in his hands and hugged them. Do you know the meaning of hugging? When you close somebody in your embrace, जब आप किसी को गले लगाते हो तो आप उसको hug कर रहे होते हो. So Deepak took hold of his pets. He held them in his hands and he hugged them close. He promised that he would never leave them alone and bring them to the park every day. Now Deepak had realized his mistake, that though it is important to enjoy yourself and read books, but it is also important to give time to your pets. So he also realized his mistake and then he promised his pets that he will take better care of them and he will spend time with his pets and bring them to the park every day. So I hope children, we all enjoyed this story.